Hi guys, in question 2 we have to take this value of tan of b and find out what sine b and cos b is. So to start off with, we're going to make a quick sketch of our cast diagram. So here we go. Now we're told here that angle B is a reflex angle, and it's also the tan, and this is a positive value of tan, and we know tan is positive here and here, but this, if I draw an angle here, this is going to be acute. So actually the angle is somewhere around this quadrant here. It cannot go into this fourth quadrant because tan would no longer be positive, and it has to be because we're told that in the question here. Okay, so I'm just going to mark on here that because we're trying to find sine and cosine, the sine of angle B, whatever that is going to be negative, because in this third quadrant it's only tan that's positive, and the cosine of angle B is also, when it's in this quadrant here, is going to be negative. We can actually solve this question by some simple trigonometry, because here we have a tan of B. So let's draw a right angle triangle quickly, and using this information we know that tan of an angle, so let's put the angle here, it's always easier, is square root of 21 over 2. So that means the tan of the angle is the opposite over adjacent, so the opposite has to be that, and the adjacent has to be this. Now to find the sine of this angle, which is the opposite over hypotenuse, or the cosine is adjacent over the hypotenuse, I need to find out how long this hypotenuse is. And that's a right angle triangle, all three sides, that's Pythagoras' theorem. So we know the square root of 21 squared plus 2 squared is going to be equal to our hypotenuse squared. It's 21 plus 4. So x squared, therefore, that's 25. So x is going to be 5. So let's just get rid of that, and let's put a 5 there. So, nearly finished now. So the sine of angle B, so this is part A. So the sine of angle B is the opposite, that's the square root of 21, over the hypotenuse. Now, very quickly, I'll change colour to emphasize this. We know the sine has got to be negative because it's in this third quadrant. So that's a negative. If we go to do B, so that's cos of angle B. That's the adjacent over the hypotenuse, so it's 2 over 5. But once again, it's negative in this quadrant, so that has to be negative as well.